So welcome guys. So in last month I think TCS has declared that they are hiring 40,000 freshers from India means for IT and I think for BPS also back office. So these means TCS is thinking that they are taking work from home till 2015 means they have announced that 75% of employee will do work from home till 2025. So in that basis they are hiring these huge amount of freshers, and the eligibility is you must have completed your graduation means for IT we will see for IT students who are 2018, 19 and 20 pass outs are eligible. BE, BTech, ME, MTech in any discipline. Okay, then this is important. MCA with BSc, BA. If you have completed your graduation in BSc, BA, BCom, then you must also have a MCA degree to apply for these IT jobs. Students who are secured with 60% and means the criteria is above 60%, and I think there is no backlogs. Yeah, you must have no backlog in your educational careers means like that. The age limit is 18 to 25 years. So these are the eligibility process. You can check now in the link that I will give in descriptions. There are much more informative things, and the process is like written test, email writing, technical interview, HR interview. In I think in written test they are taking the coding interview. I think like they are taking verbal and apti and again 2 rounds of coding. So on basis, yeah, verbal ability, quantitative aptitude, programming concepts and coding. So these are the like this is like pattern, they can change the pattern. So you for applying you have to go here TCS next step. I will give the link of this in description, and here there are two options, IT and BPS, business process services. Okay, like that is business process services. Now we are for seeing IT. So just if you are eligible, please apply. This is the huge chance for you, as I am completing my post graduation now, pursuing my post graduation, so I am not applying that because I am not eligible for this. So if you are eligible, just go through it and that's it. So it is a great chance because they are hiring 40,000 peoples. So like that, not I think not all 40,000 for IT, they will divide the things in that BPS and IT. So like that you can check it. So that's the thing. So thank you guys.